Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share Amazon Prime membership or how to use Amazon Prime's household sharing feature. It's really simple and easy. First of all, just open the application here. When you are on the app, just tap on this person icon here and then tap on this your account. And when you are here, you just have to scroll down until you see this manage your profiles or manage your Prime membership. So just tap on this manage Prime membership. From there will be your Prime membership. If you go ahead and scroll down, you can see share your Prime benefits and household. And that's where we are going to go ahead and add family members to our household. I'm going to go ahead and click on it, manage your household. That it's going to ask you for their name and email. You have to go ahead and put in there, hit continue, and then it will create an invite. And then the invitation has been sent, and it's that much easy. That's how you can use Amazon Prime's household sharing feature. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.